Hi, I'm Cade from Cade AI Grove. Do you want to start a YouTube channel and create professional videos without complex editing skills? Today, I'll introduce you to Magic Light AI, a tool that can turn any idea into a complete video in just minutes. Whether you want to make kids' stories, faceless YouTube channels, or even animated short films, Magic Light makes it easy. And what I love most, characters always stay consistent throughout the video without random changes between scenes. This is a huge advantage compared to many other AI tools, especially when you want to build a series or tell long-form stories. Go to magiclight.ai, link in the description. Just log in with Google and you can start right away. Right on the homepage, you'll see two main options. Story to video, turn text or ideas into a complete video. AI character, create and customize your own AI character. If you want to get started the fastest, choose story to video. Step 1. Content. Choose aspect ratio, landscape for YouTube, portrait for TikTok, shorts. Video language. Select your preferred language. Style. Options include 3D cartoon, Pixar, Disney, realistic, kids story, epic, anime. Script input. Smart script. AI will expand or optimize your content. Basic script. Keeps your text as is without AI edits. Trending script. Browse trending ideas for inspiration. Video length. Choose 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, or custom. Tip. Press enter to break into new scenes. More short scenes make the story engaging. Click next to continue. Step 2. Cast. Auto detect. Magic Light automatically detects characters in your script. Edit character. Change gender, age, appearance, or name. Add character. Insert a new character. Autocast. The system automatically assigns suitable characters. Tip. Keep characters consistent if you're making a series. Click next to continue. Step 3. Storyboard. Scene list. Left panel shows AI-generated shots. Click to edit. Voiceover. Choose voice type and adjust speed for natural flow. Preview. Center panel shows images and dialogue text. Characters. Right panel allows editing or adding characters. Edit storyboard. Adjust actions, gestures, or movements. Prompt editing. Add details or regenerate if unsatisfied. AI expand. Suggest extra details. Animate all. Apply animation to all scenes. Lip sync. Sync character lips with voiceover. Some animation modes require more credits. Animate key scenes if credits are low. Click next to continue. Step 4. Edit. Cover settings. Enter title and choose font style. Subtitle settings. Add or edit subtitles. Background music. Pick suitable music and adjust volume. Generate, export, or download the final video. After learning how to create a complete video, you can quickly check out Magic Light's plans to choose the one that best fits your needs.
A shimmering portal vanishes, leaving Alara, Liam, Chloe, and Finn stranded in an unfamiliar forest clearing, their futuristic attire a stark contrast against the wild landscape. Liam, the engineer, struggles to make sense of their predicament, muttering about temporal displacement and magnetic fields. Chloe, the historian, revels in the unexpected field trip, comparing local flora to data on her wrist console with undisguised excitement. Finn, ever the mischievous one, pockets shiny rocks, his eyes gleaming with playful curiosity. Hilera, the team leader, issues a stark reminder. Blend in, observe, and do not alter the timeline.
Free plan. Up to 1 minute video, 3,000 characters, 10+ styles, no watermark. Standard, 5,000 credits, HD 50min video, 12,000 characters, plus 15,000 credits, HD 50min video, 3,000 images, day. Pro, 30,000 credits, unlimited speed, premium engine. Yearly purchase gives you 20% off. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe to Cade AI Grove, and turn on notifications for more tutorials. Magic Light can be your shortcut to creative success. Try it today and turn your ideas into professional videos in minutes.